In this tutorial, I'm going to be discussing the roadmap widget. The roadmap widget is an easy way to create a beautiful roadmap for your launch or company or a project of any kind. So if you ever want to display a series of steps or a timeline, you would simply use the roadmap. It's located right here. And once you create that, it's going to ask you to input your items. We've got this one already pre-made just so you can see how it looks, and you can see we have a series of steps on the left. And on the right, the preview, we can see each one has a picture, a title, a subtitle, and some text. So if you wanted to add another item, you would simply click the blue button, add a new item to the list. And it's very easy to input your title and your subtitle. And then your text would go right here, and then you would put an image or an icon. So we have a large library of free icons you're welcome to use, or you can use our global media library or upload your own image. It's whatever you want. And once you upload an image and save it, it'll automatically add that to your roadmap. So you can see once we scroll down, it now has the picture, the title, the subtitle, and the text right there. And very easy to use, and you can change the look and the layout right below here. So you can see we're on this first one where it organizes it left, right, left, right. If you wanted to use the second one, you can see it'll put all the images on the left, and then you'll see all the text on the right. So if we wanted to use that, it'll automatically update that. So now we have all the images on the left and the text on the right, and it does it all for you automatically. And if you want to use this one on this third one right here, this would actually make use of the bracketed steps right here. So you can rearrange these items once they're in your list. You can rearrange them however you want. So if you see right here, I can put step 2 right above step 1, and it'll update that. Now that's above, and I can rearrange this however I want. And you can also put an item within another item. So if I take this step 3 and put this below and a little bit to the right of step 2, that'll add that to that particular item. So now it acts as a category. So you can see step 3 is within step 2, and you can do that however you want and reorganize them however you want. And it's a very powerful tool to show a roadmap or a series of steps for a launch, a company, or a project, and an easy way to show a timeline as well. So I would recommend, playing around with this and kind of experimenting. And as far as additional options, they're just like all of the other widgets. You can switch this to mobile only or desktop only, so you can have different roadmaps for mobile versus desktop. And the additional styles are just like all the other widgets. You can determine the space on the desktop. You can add some CSS for the custom widget class, and you can even add a background or animations. So it's a very simple and powerful tool that'll automatically create a roadmap for you in a very easy to use way.